you feeling? How are you feeling now? When all the pieces seem
A
like
very real, a very rare gift. Very few reach the age of 100 years. So we are doubly thankful and happy as we offer this celebration of the Holy Mass.
anyway.
Sikreto daw ang Panginoon. Because life is a gift from God. Yung paghaba ng buwan, dobling regalo yun ng Panginoon.
We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. We'll find our way
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama.
Not gonna step back, not gonna step back now. We're
We
flying
are celebrating Mama's 100th birthday, a milestone that everyone is granted. So if you haven't shown your love and appreciation for Mama, today is your opportunity. You have all day.
high. I see you now, I'm not going anywhere.
At the end of the day, family is everything. Family first. So yeah, Mama, happy 100th birthday. May this day, next year, and many more years to come be as special as you are.
We'll find our way back.
Pag gising niya, kumanta siya, that is a sign na she's in good mood. So, ang mga parang signs, pag in good mood siya, kakanta siya ng Bakya mo, Neneng. So, ang ano ko kaagad niya, I thank God for that. Kasi alam ko na she's in good mood for that day. So again, I would pray at the end of the day that God will continue to do the same. Nabigyan siya ng ganung mood.